Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Inventions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are doing fine. I am extremely shimmery today because I'll be trying out this multi-chrome holographic eyeliner from the brand Swiss Beauty. I have seen a lot of people trying this, and this looks stunning. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. This is waterproof, smudge proof, and long lasting. This product is paraben free, vegan, and cruelty free. This retails for 449 rupees. I have with me the shade 03 Stardust. So upon opening, this is how the packaging looks like. And this is the shade. Wow, this is amazing. This looks so good. So this is a very beautiful holographic shade if you can see, and this looks pink, green plus a little purple from some angle. This is the beauty of a holographic multi-chrome eyeliner. Like, you'll be getting multi-dimensional shades, like the shades will look different from different angles. This is not the only variant in Swiss Beauty holographic eyeliner. There are 5 more beautiful shades. The shades have been named after our galaxy, and the shades are exceptionally beautiful. Other shades are Colored Earth, and that has a green and blue kind of a shimmer. Then there is Meteor, which is yellow and pink. And then Milky Way, which is blue, pink and purple. The lightest among these shades is Nebula. We all know nebula is basically the gases and dust which is emitted when a star dies. So Nebula is the lightest amongst these, and that is light blue and light pink, like a frosted kind of a look. And then one of the most amazing creations of God, Northern Lights, and that has a mix of yellow, green and light blue. I got my hands on this one, but the other shades are equally beautiful, equally pigmented and extremely glossy, and they give a galactic feel to your eyes. So let's try this out right now. I have nothing on my eyes at the moment. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how this fares. You can see, right? So you can see how nice this looks. Okay, so this is how the shade looks like. I hope this is visible on the camera because I am a little disappointed. I was expecting the pigmentation of this to be like in my face kind of a pigmentation, like extremely bright and shimmery, but that's not the case clearly. First of all, it is not one stroke application. You have to keep on applying it to get a nice even color. That itself is a big turn off for me. And secondly, the problem with such creamy kind of an eyeliners is that this breaks off very easily. The tip of this already broke off while I was trying to apply. So this is the problem with creamy kind of an eyeliners. This is definitely smudge proof and this is waterproof, I'm sure, but you'll have to keep on applying it to get a decent amount of pigment on your eyelids. The pigmentation is not that good at all. Like, I didn't like it because looks very basic. Like, I cannot see anything. If you can see, then let me know, but I cannot see galactic look on my eyelids. I was expecting that you can use this eyeliner on special occasions like wedding, party, etc., because this might feel a little extra on normal days, but you can apply this daily, I guess, because the effect is very subtle. It's not that bright, I would say. So I am a little disappointed. I don't know, other people reviewed it, it was looking very good, but I don't know, somehow on my eyelids it's not showing up the way it was showing up on their eyes. I don't know how this is happening, but this is how it is. Like, this is the real pigment, I would say. So this is how it is. So if you like this kind of a subtle holographic kind of a feel, then I think you should give this a shot. Otherwise you can even miss this, it's okay, because it's not that vibrant. So no, I might try the other shade, like with the earth one I might try, which has green and blue. That might be a little pigmented, I don't know, but anyways, I didn't like it and that doesn't make much of a difference. In case you want to give this a try, I'll put the link of this one in the description box, and do try this if you want, and do let me know whether this one worked for you or not, because in my case I really can't see much going on. So yeah, So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care and I love you all.